So the last book that I wanted to recommend as a completed fantasy duology, oh, this one is, I think it has my heart. This was like one of my top reads in 2025. So I definitely I ate it up. That's all I'm gonna say. And that would be Divine Rivals and Ruthless Vows by Rebecca Ross. Now, this was a whenever Divine Rivals came out, it was a what you call a booktube darling where everyone was yapping a lot about the books. And I, for one, I'm not someone who really cares about, I don't really care about overhyped books. But I have to say that Divine Rivals is definitely not overhyped. I mean, I prefer Divine Rivals to Rootless Vows. This book has my heart. This is the 5-star book. This one, it was more like, okay, fine, this is how the story concludes. Okay. But this book, 5-star. Like, woo, I don't even know how to describe it. Okay, so we follow Iris and Roman. Roman. Oh my god. Look, Roman is I have an invisible list of perfect fictional boyfriends. Roman is probably top 3. Like, we follow this girl, Iris, who has a typewriter given to her by her grandmother, where if you write letters on the typewriter and you put it in like a wardrobe, there are 3 types of that typewriter that belong to 3 different women, and the typewriters are connected by magic. So her letters were getting sent to Roman.